I've started to do this written room actually a couple of years after immigrating in Germany. So it is a lot about my loss of my mother tongue, the memory of it. As an immigrant, you do not live in your mother tongue anymore. Somehow it is about the loss of its function as a way of communication, expressing yourself. So it becomes a beautiful memory. For me, it is important that the text is also eligible to Farsi reading people. It is the tradition of calligraphy in Iran comes very much from writing the holy text in Farsi, Arabic. It is writing the sacral text. What I'm doing is actually I make it free out of the meaning, which has been much more important than the calligraphy itself. The calligraphy was just carrying something very important. Now, I like the idea that it's not carrying anything. It's carrying itself. And by itself, it gains more potential and becomes more free. And I hope that the visitors can just get this sense of freedom in the work.